Hi, it's Dr. Dale White, your Fort Worth chiropractor. And I'm here with Dr. Greg Johnson, your Houston chiropractor.
Hello.
How you doing?
Yeah.
I'm down here in Houston. We're going to a political thing tonight, and Dr. Johnson and I are going to go there. His congressman, actually, it's for him,
Kevin Brady.
Congressman Kevin Brady. That's exactly right. So we've got a fundraiser for him. He's the Ways and Means chairman in Washington. So all you people in Houston, you need to support this guy, and all your people all over the country, because he's a big chiropractic fan and has been since he was in the Texas house. So
Yeah, great.
It'd be good to see him. Now I'm going to adjust Greg here. So Greg and I have known each other for 30-something years. We won't get into how many. 30-something years. We've both been working for the profession all that time. So Greg, go ahead and lay down here.
Okay.
Let me shake you out.
Oh.
All right. What we got here? You got some problems right there, don't you?
Yes, sir,
You're supposed to be
I
a
do.
chiropractor.
Yeah.
Got the high here.
Thank God you're here.
Let me check your leg length. Your right leg's a little short.
Imagine that.
Yep. So, yeah, imagine that. That's pretty normal, I imagine. Okay. Now, I got to learn how to work your table.
This one goes up this side.
This side goes up and this side drops.
Right.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, here we go. This is thoracic spine here. Oh, yeah. Okay, now we're going to work on this lower back, about L3. Okay. Very good. Okay, now when I tell you, I want you to bend your legs for me, if you would.
Like this?
Bend your legs. Yep, there you go. Go ahead. Bend them all the way. Touch your heels to the rear end.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect. There you
Good
go.
job.
All right, let me check this now.
See, it's cool to get different adjustments.
Now that's amazing. That is absolutely even.
That feels better,
Okay.
too.
Let's go ahead and sit up for me,
Okay.
if you would. Yep. Check you out here. Now this lowers it on this side. Do what?
I haven't gone to it.
Yeah, I see that. I'm gonna move that out here in just a minute.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, your shoulders
Yep.
are not too bad, which is amazing
Yeah.
considering what we're dealing with.
Yeah, good
I have
job.
this one. Put your hand on top of your head for me. I want
And
to tell
rub.
you. Touch this here, okay?
Do
Go
what
ahead.
now?
Touch this here for me. Go ahead now. Nope, just with your hand. Move your
Oh.
hand. No, this hand.
Oh,
There you go. There's adjustment.
Okay.
Now, there we go.
I got you.
Okay,
You want me to do
now-
this one too?
Well,
I can
can't-
rub my head too.
There we go. Now that we got it figured out, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Now that's actually an adjustment that came down from Canada with my daughter-in-law, who's a chiropractor that was trained in Canada.
Uh-huh.
Canadian Memorial Chiropractic Company. So
Cool.
let's go ahead and sit here for me.
Okay.
Now this is a Gonstead cervical adjustment, seated adjustment.
Which is mostly P to A thrust.
Correct. Now tilt your head back, put your chin out for me. Let it relax.
Oh
Very
man,
good.
that was great.
Good. Did you hear that, Sam?
Oh, your crack eggs.
That was
going
for
on
your crack
YouTube.
eggs right there.
That's your crack eggs now too.
All right, now go ahead and stand up for me.
Oh, that felt great.
And let's see how you're doing. Let's stand real straight for me. Well, everything looking good. Working better?
That feels great.
Shoulders look nice
Oh
and
yeah,
low, your
I'm
hips look low.
right down the middle everywhere.
That's great. Well,
You gonna ring ding me though, right?
I am going to ring
Okay.
ding. We're going to move right over here, right now. Let's go ahead and lay on your back there.
All right.
Let me get this here. Okay, I think you need to move up a little.
Okay. Yep.
Right there. Yep. And then,
You can squeeze me in tight.
okay. That's not too tight?
No.
That's good. Okay, all right.
Yep.
And then raise your legs up, get your
Get my
lower legs
spine
level with the
relaxed.
floor, yeah. Because we want a straight pull here when we do this.
And you know, there's not too many people I let do this to me.
Well, I'm glad you let me.
Yeah, I'm too.
Well, you know, when we learned how to do this, we were together many years ago. Go ahead and grit your teeth for me.
Oh yeah.
Good. Very
Good job.
All right,
Home run.
get you up out of here.
Oh, that was great.
There you go.
Whew, it's is so nice. I feel the blood rushing down in my legs again.
That's good for you.
Yeah, it is. Thanks, sir.
You get up. Oh, wait, I gotta lower you down. No. You can't get up off of that?
I could, but I might hurt myself in the wrong
Then
spot.
And we waste everything we just did, right? That would
No, I don't want to knock anything back out of
that would
place.
be good. All
I'm
right.
gonna get up just like I tell people to get up on their sides with
That's it.
pushing at their elbows.
Well, I appreciate
Well,
it,
thank
Greg.
you
I really
very
do.
much.
Thanks for having me here today.
Now, listen, we're gonna put the link to his YouTube channel and his clinic in our description box on this video. So make sure you check him out and subscribe to his channels because they're gonna start. He got a brand new, beautiful 4K camera that's gonna be doing great videos
I do.
with.
That's really neat.
Yep, and he's committed to doing a bunch of good treatment videos on conditions that you're interested in finding out about. So this is your Houston Chiropractor and
Your Fort Worth chiropractor.
coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.